Unraveling Chapter and Verse, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that often pops up in English conversations and writings, chapter and verse. This expression has a rich history and a specific usage, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English language skills. So, let's dive right in and decode chapter and verse together. The phrase chapter and verse finds its roots in the Bible, where chapters and verses are used to refer to specific parts of the text. Originally, this expression was used literally to cite exact passages from the Bible. Over time, it has evolved to take on a broader meaning in the English language. Today, when someone says they can give you chapter and verse, they mean they can provide detailed information, exact details, or precise instructions about something. It's a way of saying that they can offer thorough and specific evidence or explanations, not just vague ideas or general statements. Let's look at some examples to see how chapter and verse can be used in everyday English. When asked about the policy changes, the manager provided chapter and verse on how the procedures have been updated. I need chapter and verse on the new regulations before I can implement any changes. She can quote chapter and verse from the manual, making her an invaluable resource for training new employees. Understanding phrases like chapter and verse not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the cultural and historical nuances of the English language. It allows you to communicate more effectively and appreciate the depth and history of the language. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, chapter and verse. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this interesting expression. Remember, learning a language is not just about memorizing words but also about understanding the stories and cultures behind them. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!